Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay on Kraken. First, ensure your Apple Pay is correctly set up on your device with a linked debit card. Then, log in to your Kraken account and navigate to the funding section. This process allows for swift and secure deposits, making it easier to manage your cryptocurrency investments. It's a straightforward way to get started with funding your account quickly and efficiently. Once logged in, select the deposit option from your funding menu. You will then choose the fiat currency you wish to deposit, such as US dollars or euros. Next, select Apple Pay as your deposit method. This step connects your secure Apple Pay wallet directly to your Kraken account, preparing for your funds transfer. It's a simple and integrated process. After selecting Apple Pay, you will enter the specific amount you want to deposit. Carefully review all the transaction details presented on the screen to ensure accuracy. Finally, you will authenticate the payment using your device's security features, such as Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This final step confirms your deposit, typically processing within moments. When using Apple Pay, remember to check for any deposit limits, which might be, for example, $5,000 per day. Also, be mindful of any associated fees, which are usually a small percentage of the transaction. Always double-check all transaction details before confirming to prevent errors. This ensures a smooth and secure funding experience every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.